Hello, let us solve this one. So here I will explain summary of this question in very simple language. So here it says that you need to consider the corner. For an example, I am starting with easier one. If you talk about B, then B is the corner of front face, that is A, B, E, F, isn't it? This B is the corner of the side face B, C, G, F, isn't it? And B is also corner of top face, that is A, D, C, B, isn't it? So these are three faces which has corner B. Now this diagram has 6 faces and each face has one unique number. But we do not know which number is written on which face. It means there is one number here but we do not know, it's unknown to us. There is one number here that's unknown to us, and this is how there is one unique number for each face. So for your convenience, I have made this diagram, very clear diagram, in which this is top, this is bottom, this is front, this is back, this is side face 2, this is side face 1. Now before we go ahead, for our convenience, I am giving one unique letter, small letter for each face. So front is A, B, E, F. This one is front, A, B, E, F, but I will call it small a. Same way, small b, small c, small d, small e and small f. Now we need to think about corner C first. So let us talk about corner C. So corner C, you can see, is part of top. Plus it's also part of back side, corner C. So back side. Plus it's also part of side face, isn't it? C is the corner of side face also. So this is side 1, and if you add values on top, bottom and side face 1, you will get 14. That's given over here. Now I will write this information in simplified form. So for the top, which letter we have considered? For top it is small c. For back side, so for back side we have taken letter B, and for side 1, this side, we have taken letter E, that you can see here. So I can say C plus B plus E is equals to 14. So now instead of these things, I will write the letter that I have assigned. This question may be complex for you, but I am trying to make it as easy as for you. Video may go little longer, but I want you to understand it perfectly. Now we need to talk about corner D. So D is the corner in which faces? So D is the corner of top, and top is letter C. So here I will write C. Then D is the corner of back side. So back side is B. So I will write B. And D is the corner of side 2. So side 2 we have considered F. So C plus B plus F is equals to, question says 16. 16 for corner D. Now let's talk about corner E. So corner E. So corner E is the part of side 2. And side 2 is F. So here I will write F. Then corner E is also part of bottom, you can see. If you connect them, this will become the diagram given in the question. Like this is top, right? This is back side. So I just detached all the faces to make you understand in better way. So E is the corner for bottom one, and bottom is assigned letter D. Plus E is also part of front, you can see E is the corner of front also, and for front we have assigned letter A. So F plus D plus A is equals to 24. Now same way you need to go ahead, and what is the sum for F, corner F? All the faces which has corner F, you need to find the sum of that. So let me note down what we need to find. So for the F, so F is the corner of bottom, and bottom we have assigned letter D. Plus F is the corner of front also. So for the front we have assigned letter A. Plus F is the corner of side face 1 also, and side face 1 we assigned E. So basically you need to find D plus A plus E based on the information you have. If you have understood this much, we can go ahead. Now you need to use these 4 equations in order to get desired value. Now it may be hard for you because you all are 5th-6th grader, but what you can do, you can plug value of one equation into another equation. I will show you how. So if you observe these equation and this equation very carefully, then C and B is common in both. So what I can do, I can do C plus B plus F. Let me number this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I wrote equation 2, C plus B plus F. Then I will subtract equation 1 from that. Now you might be thinking how I got that idea. I will explain it in few seconds. Just give me some time. I am subtracting this one, C plus B plus E, equation 1, and right hand side, this is left hand side. Right hand side I have 16 minus 14. Now if you go ahead, C plus B plus F. Now if you have minus outside the parenthesis, it will change sign of all the alphabets inside the parenthesis. So minus C minus B minus E is equals to 16 minus 14, 2. Now you can see C cancelled, B cancelled. So I can say F minus E is equals to 2. Now let's come to your question, how I came to know that I need to work on this one. So first thing is I have these two letters same. So if I subtract them, it can get easily cancelled. That's what I know. How I came to know that I need to subtract 1 from 2, not from 2 from 1. So basically if I try to do that, then 14 minus 16 will be negative 2. So I don't want to go in negative. So that's why I subtracted 1 from 2. I can subtract 2 also from 1. In that case also C and B will be cancelled. But I don't want to go in negative. That's why I subtracted 1 from 2. And after doing that, I got important relationship that F minus E is 2. Now I can use this equation in different forms also in order to get my desired value. So now I am adding E both the sides. So what will happen? F is equals to 2 plus E. Now I am subtracting 2 from both the sides. I want to isolate E. Why I want to isolate E? So that I can plug value of E here. I have E here, isn't it? So now I have F minus 2 is equals to these two cancelled, E. And I will plug this value into these equation, fourth equation. So that will become something like this, D plus A plus E is equals to F minus 2 is equals to question mark. Now you might be thinking why I am going in specific way, specific order. Very simple. A plus D plus F, that's what I have here. A plus D plus F, that's 24. 24 minus 2 is question mark, and that's 22. I can understand that this question is hard for you, but if you will practice this kind of more questions, it will become easy for you. And here our answer is 22, so that is choice C. I tried to explain in as easy language as possible. I hope you find it useful.